If you know what a speedy is, then you're probably from Binghamton, New York or the surrounding area. If not, it's worth you to watch this video. I started with some minced garlic, 2 cups of olive oil, half a cup of white vinegar, a half a cup of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of oregano, 2 tablespoons of parsley, a tablespoon of basil, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of sea salt. I whipped all this stuff up and threw it in a bag with the cubed up chicken, and we put it in the fridge overnight to marinate for 24 hours. Took them out the next night, skewered them up, and threw them on the Blackstone grill on medium-high heat. Flipped them on all 4 sides. Took about 20 minutes, but we made sure with an internal temperature of 165 degrees. You gotta try these things. They are the freaking bomb. Hit the forkin' plus.